Good day everyone, I am Rica May San Juan from BT Ed FSM 3A. So for today's discussion, we are going to discuss about the delivery process of CBT or competency-based training. But before that, let's define first what is CBT or competency-based training. Competency-based training is an educational and training approach that emphasizes the development of specific skills, knowledge, and behaviors required to perform effectively in a particular job or professional context. Unlike traditional training methods that focus primarily on completing a set curriculum or spending a fixed number of hours of instructions. CBT is outcome focused, meaning learners advance when they can demonstrate mastery of clearly defined competencies. So this approach is highly learner-centered, allowing individuals to progress at their own pace and providing opportunities to apply what they have learned and in simulated work situations. So competency are carefully identified and aligned with workplace requirements, ensuring that the training is directly relevant to practical tasks. Assessment in CBT is practical and performance-based, evaluating whether learner can perform tasks to the required standard rather than the simply recalling information. By linking learning outcomes to tangible skills, CBT helps improve employability, productivity, and overall performance. So, making it particularly effective and technical, vocational, and professional training programs. So, in other words, they must be successful at the task they are given to complete that unit of work. So, let's have first step. So, the first step is the students must be enter or enroll the program. By the way, we will using the qualification of hairdressing in situ. So, in this step, the students will have an orientation about the things they need to be done for the whole training, or the trainer will brief them about the unit of competency together with the job description. They will team once they pass the assessment, to be followed by administering the registration of prior learning. So, by the way, the RL is the process where you can use your existing knowledge, skills, and experience or other employment to demonstrate your competency in a particular unit. So, after the program, the student will now select competency and receive instructions. So, in this step, the trainer will select the competency from the identity by training needs and receive of course by the trainer. Also, they will be given the contract agreement that administered their training process. So the trainer provide materials such as introducing of CBLM materials and introducing as well as the use of achievement progress report. And so after the students choose a competency, he or she will now proceed to the next step where he or she can practice and develop her skills in training in order for him to pass. So for the assessment, so it is includes on review learning package or review multimedia materials, use manuals or observe demonstration practice skills in workshop, receive assistance and advice. And so after the trainee complete the master of this process, and the trainee can now attempt the task. So, and also the instructor or the trainer will observe and rate his or her performance, and the trainee as well will also rate performance. So, and if the trainee is not satisfactorily performed, the competency will repeat the process where that time studying the module, and if the training satisfactorily performed the competency, she will proceed to the next step. So where she will be questioned about the competency she had achieved, and if the trainee don't have enough competency being achieved, he or she will back to the step where the time to choose the competency, because he or she will choose another competency again and repeat the process. And if the trainee has enough competency, then this is the time that he can now exit the program. So that's all the process for the delivery process of competency-based program. So that delivery process of the competency-based program. So that would be all. I hope that you've learned something from me, and thank you so much. Goodbye.